everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
We are pleased to show you the 2013 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.